Welcome back to Auto Car Dream Covert, where futuristic design meets ultimate driving passion. Today we are taking a deep look at the stunning new 2026 Honda Civic Falcon X, a next-generation sports sedan concept that completely transforms the image of the modern Civic. The Falcon X arrives with an aggressive and premium exterior that instantly grabs attention from every angle. Honda has pushed the limits of aerodynamic styling with a lower stance, wider body, sculpted hood vents, sharp LED matrix headlights, and a bold black grille carrying the iconic red Honda badge. The cream pearl exterior gives this machine a luxury supercar appearance while still maintaining the sporty DNA that Civic fans love around the world. From the front left side view, the Falcon X looks like a high-end performance coupe blended with futuristic racing technology, making it one of the most eye-catching Civic concepts ever imagined. As we move around the exterior, the massive dual-tone alloy wheels and low-profile performance tires give the car a commanding road presence. The sporty side skirts, aerodynamic mirrors, and aggressive front splitter improve airflow while enhancing the overall racing-inspired look. Honda designers have also introduced a panoramic glass roof that adds a premium luxury feel to the cabin. Every line on the body has been carefully sculpted to create a sleek, fast, and futuristic silhouette. Even when standing still, the Falcon X looks like it is moving at high speed. The rear design is equally impressive with futuristic LED taillights, a sporty diffuser, and quad exhaust styling that gives the sedan a true performance identity. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Honda Civic Falcon X takes luxury and technology to a whole new level. The interior features premium red and black leather sports, seats with advanced comfort support and illuminated ambient lighting across the dashboard and doors. Honda has equipped the Falcon X with a massive curved digital infotainment system, integrated with an eye-powered voice control, wireless smartphone connectivity, navigation, and a premium surround sound audio system. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving information with futuristic graphics. Inspired by supercars and racing machines, the steering wheel features touch-sensitive controls, paddle shifters, and customizable drive modes for a more engaging driving experience. Under the hood, the Falcon X is expected to feature a high-performance, hybrid turbocharged powertrain, delivering incredible acceleration and fuel efficiency at the same time. Rumors suggest that Honda may combine a powerful turbocharged engine with advanced electric motor technology to produce over 400 horsepower. This would allow the Falcon X to compete directly with premium sports sedans while maintaining Honda's legendary reliability and efficiency. Drivers can expect lightning-fast acceleration, smooth power delivery, advanced all-wheel drive capability, and multiple performance driving modes including Sport, Track, Comfort, and Eco. Safety and intelligent driving technology are also a major focus in the new Falcon X. Honda's latest driver assistance package is expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, AI parking assist, and semi-autonomous driving capability for highway cruising. The advanced suspension setup and adaptive dampers are designed to provide both high-speed stability and smooth daily driving comfort, making the Falcon X a perfect balance between luxury and performance. The 2026 Honda Civic Falcon X is not just another concept car. It represents Honda's vision for the future of sporty sedans. It combines aggressive styling, futuristic technology, hybrid performance, and premium comfort into one incredible machine. For Civic fans and car enthusiasts around the world, this concept proves that the future of Honda performance is brighter and bolder than ever before. Thanks for watching Auto Car Dream Covert. If you enjoyed this futuristic Honda Civic Falcon X review, Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more upcoming luxury car concepts, future vehicles, and next-generation automotive content. Stay tuned because the future of driving starts right here.